In this Zen tutorial video, we are going to do a stage scan so that we can get a mosaic image. For the purpose of this, we're going to uncheck the DAPI and the Psi 3, and we're going to go live in the GFP. We have auto scale turned on, and we're on single cubes right now. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go off live. We're going to click onto tiles. Down below, we're going to go ahead and we're going to expand tiles down here. We're going to say show viewer, and once we do that, we will see where our viewer is. If I go ahead and I go live, I will get my live image back in my tiles advanced setup viewer. I can go ahead and say add a tile region, which I get here. I can expand it. If I zoom my mouse wheel out, I'll get more real estate, and I could make it a little bit larger. And so now I could modify my region by dragging the yellow bounding box, and I'll adjust it to about here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to try to click on direct processing, and under direct processing we're going to choose stitching. This will correct any rotation of the camera. We're going to go ahead and now below, instead of using the snap, we will use the start experiment button. What will happen is it will start scanning. I do not have auto scale checked on. It is giving me a nice even illumination at the moment. And it goes ahead, it's set to an overlap, and it's scanning across one channel since we've deselected the other channels. When it is complete, it will go ahead and it will process. And now we have a stitched image. I can roll my mouse wheel to zoom in, and then I have my two bars over here that I can go ahead and move to inspect. I can see a little bit of a stitch line here, which is acceptable. This is what happens, but as a zoom out on the image again, we can see that it's unified and it's well lined up. So the direct processing and stitching has now given us this final image. We could go ahead and we could save this image off. This will be the final one right here, and I could save it in a different spot with the save as, but this is how easy it is to stitch.